Hey, hi all. Today we will learn about types of API. Okay, so there are two types of API. One is SOAP and second is REST. Okay, so we'll go one by one. So first one is SOAP. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. SOAP is a protocol that defines set of rules for structuring messages in a web service. So basically it uses XML data for the communication and it has some strict and standard approach for the communication. Okay. So there are some characteristics of the SOAP. So SOAP is a protocol based relying on predefined contract known as WSDL, means web service description language. Okay. It typically used in enterprise level applications while a strict and well defined structure is crucial part. Okay, so SOAP messages can be verbose, which means it needs more information due to XML formatting for the communication. Okay, currently very less organizations are using SOAP for the API communications because of its complexity and performance. Okay, so there is a one tool available, open source tool called SOAP UI. So here you can do the perform the API testing. Here you have to provide the XML, whatever XML data you have to provide, you have to provide it here, and according to this you can test this SOAP UI. Let's move to the second part, REST API. REST stands for Representational State Transfer Protocol. Unlike SOAP, REST is an architectural style that utilizes standard HTTP methods such as put, post, patch, delete for the communication. Okay. Let's look at the key characteristic of the REST. So REST is a stateless, which means each request contains all the information needed for the for the communication, which makes it scalable and simpler as compared to the SOAP. Okay, so generally we use JSON format for the data exchange, which makes it lightweight and easier to read compared to the XML. Okay, so REST is commonly used in web applications or mobile application due to its simplicity and better performance. Currently, lots of organizations are using REST API for the communication. There are multiple tools available in the market for testing REST APIs. So most popular API tool is Postman. So here you can see this is the UI of the API tool. So here if you see this is the JSON format. So we will explain about what is the JSON format and how we can test this. So this is the URL, this is the JSON data. So we in the next video we'll see about how to install Postman and how to test the multiple methods of the REST API.